Kucoin engineers, I wanted to keep you informed about step-up updates. And now, as you know, our first staking phase has been completed after 14 days. And now let's briefly talk about what perpetual staking is. Guys, as a basic definition, by giving an example, once you stake, it will be staked forever until you want to break this stake. You get it? So for that reason, it's called perpetual staking. If you didn't attempt to break your staking, unlock your staking, it will be fine. You will have to wait for 14 days more. And as you know, if you want to quit now, you will have to pay 16% of FitFi as fee because you don't obey the rule. For a reason, the ecosystem will unfortunately be you in this case. So what's going to happen? So let's check it out. Staking parts. Okay, after opening the website, you should click on go to staking page. Right on your screen, you will see that this is number 2. Okay, snapshot number 1 has been taken. And when you click on it, you see that I have 70 drop tickets. And I think everybody knows for which purpose we will be using drop tickets. To be able to pick our loot boxes, we will be using our drop tickets. And the lottery will be held on May 23rd. And also a separate post will be made with details of a trustless selection explainer. We will keep you posted about this too. And also there will be a button around here where winners will be able to claim their loot boxes. Hopefully we will be having 4 loot boxes for each of us. For the ones who are watching this video, we will be picking 3 loot boxes. Why 3? Let me give you the explanation. The rates we have to be able to drop our shoes is 35%. So this means if you have 3 loot boxes, you will be able to have a high chance to drop your sneakers for that reason. So what's gonna happen? So now per day I have 5 DT and this will end 13 days later. And also, what if you want to withdraw your FitFi? I think you remember I was talking about that issue right in the video. And now I have 500 FitFi and this is the amount now I have. After clicking on this, you will see that screen. When you don't obey the rules, you will be charged a fee of 16% of FitFi. So I have like 500 FitFi. So this is like 80 FitFi multiplies with 20 cents. It will be like $16 to $20. No, I don't want to do this. I will cancel. I will close this. Okay, guys, for upcoming news, we'll keep you posted and briefly. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye. And if you want to be posted immediately, you know what to do. Please subscribe to our channel and we will be posting more videos like this related to step up. Goodbye.